The exercise handles increase the range of exercises that can be performed with bands and tubing by allowing for a firm grasp, especially for those who struggle with weak grip or are using thick resistance bands. Thread tubing or resistance bands through the buckle to safely secure the elastic and prevent it from sliding. Over-the-door anchor sold separately to make overhead workouts and shoulder strengthening exercises more convenient. Soft form handles and webbed straps are great for frequent reuse with any THERABAND resistance bands or elastic tubing. Prevents tubing or bands from slipping in sweaty hands. Top reviews from the United States. I wasn't sure these were going to hold a flat resistance band. But they do, very well. One of the problems I had with flat resistance bands was that I always felt they were pinching at my skin. It's a minor thing, but it made me not like using them, even though the non-latex THERABANds are the easiest way to get something I know is not made of latex. We have an allergy in the house. These handles are so simple and so effective. Once you get the hang of it, it takes a second to slip a band into and out of the loops on the handle. They're comfortable and easy to use. And they're not really significantly more expensive than the handles made for round tubing, so I am really glad I got them.